flying down the sunny track. Clickety-clack, everybody clap. First is the cow with a big wide grin. Can I ride the train?
Yes!
Jump in!
Choo-choo animal train, riding through the sun and rain. Wiggle your ears, wag your tail, choo-choo down the rail.
Next is the duck in a yellow hat, waddling fast.
I'm a little acrobat.
Then comes the dog with a spotty nose, shaking his paws on his tippy toes.